Guys, welcome to another forest vlog. If you have seen my last video, I did a vlog in the jungles of Maheshpur, which is very close to where my parents stay here in Chandannagar in West Bengal. So today I came here to another place which is very near to my parents' place. It's a place called Navagram, which is very close to Chandannagar municipality area, the city here. Basically, today I'm going to show you another beautiful place. It's a jungle, but not that dense jungle. Belongs to a landlord, but since it's a huge place, he doesn't take care of it any longer, and this place is almost a hotspot for picnic. As you can see, there are a number of rivers here, number of pukur. This is called, the ponds in Bangla are called pukur. So in this huge place you have fields, and then you have almost 4 to 5 pukurs, and all those 5 I'll show you. Beautiful place, full of greenery again, and still isolated as ever. So this is the time we are going back, and just like last time, when I came I took the footages, I shot the footages, and now I'm going back doing a vlog, so that as I come across all those ponds and as I come across all those places, I can lay those footages in that order. But by the way, you can always see my background and figure it out yourself. It's a pretty good day here in Chandannagar. It's been raining a couple of days. It's been raining on the Republic Day, but today it's the sun shining at its brightest, and also we have this breeze that's blowing. It makes for a wonderful weather for a hike. As you can listen to this breeze, perfect day for an outing. The background behind me is changing, so you can see it. We have come across to a different place, and now there is another pond, the most prettiest pond I've seen. You will see the footages. That's pond number 2. Behind me is this tree which fell, which is a testament to how the rainy season has been so harsh this year. Even a couple of months back I came here, and all this place was completely submerged in this pond, in this pukur. Now in front of me, it's the pukur number 3. Here it is. Just in case you can't see it, that's pukur number 3 for you. That was the biggest one, pond number 1. Pond number 2 right in front of me, and now you have this pond number 3. We have missed another one. I'll show you the footages. Right now in this vlog I haven't recorded it, so pardon me for that. Completely damp. As you can see, this field is completely damp, which is a testament to the fact that it almost submerged in water. It has been a heavy rainy season here in Bengal. Lots of people lost their crops, their fields. Have a look at this pond from this angle with the sunshine. now we are in the bamboo jungle. This place has everything. It has ponds, it has fields, and then it has bamboo forests. You can see around me lots of bamboo trees, lots of them. Ponds, fields, bamboo forest, hiding in plain sight. And here we go. It's the fourth pond that I'm going to show you. Let me show you from a better angle. This is the fourth pond. In fact, this is the fifth pond. And just a couple of yards away from this one. Fourth pond in this small area. And now we're heading to the jungle now. Now you'll see mango trees, and now you'll see how the farming is being done here in rural Bengal. How the farming is being done. This place is amazing. You'll see the footage and you will like, what a great place this is. I discovered this place. I used to run in the morning. It's been more than a year now that I've been living with my parents because of work from home. And initially, after the first month, I was very restless and I started running. And that's when I discovered this place. Took some of the guts because obviously it remained isolated. It remained, not preferable if you're coming alone. But that's how it place is. Look at that. This area is much better than that. This one's much better. So you must be wondering how these places, is not being taken care of, because that's how the landlord here is. He owns this much amount of place. As you can see, we have been walking for the last 10 to 15 minutes, and this whole area, I don't know the exact figures, but this whole area belongs to a jomidar called, I don't know the name, I'm sorry for that, but this is the guy, pretty laid back, doesn't take care of his properties and immovable properties like ponds and all, but obviously it's a steady source of income because he does fish farming and all. Welcome back to this second forest vlog. Pardon me for my language because it's not a forest basically, but I'm really lost for word what to say this thing. It could be a jungle, it could be a forest, maybe not a forest. So the landlord I was mentioning, his name is Dhok. It's the land of the dogs. Huge area, almost 15 to 20 minutes by walk in this whole area. It's a world of its own. All these are mango trees, as you can see. I'm gonna take you to that part of this land which is full of mango trees. Bengal is full of mango trees, it's no big deal. Full of abundance. Right there. So we are entering now that part of the forest or whatever you may call it, which is full of mango trees. Here it is. Full of mango trees, as you can see above me. And as you can see, the farming is going on. All that portion of the land that's been taken out, it's for farming purpose. Different season, different farming, a different phase of farming you will witness. If you come here in April, May, you will see nothing. If you come in July, August, you will see something, and then now in January, if you come, then you will see a completely different form of farming, which is the same farming, but it's now in a different phase. Now coming back to mango trees, as you can see, mango trees, huge mango trees above my head. And a trip here in April and May, and you can just stand here and mangoes just fall. It rains mangoes here. It rains mangoes. Absolutely outrageous to imagine this, but I felt it myself. I came here in April. The wind blows and the mango falls like rain. It rains mangoes and nobody stops you from collecting them. But obviously the good ones, the good quantity ones, are being taken care of pretty well ahead before public gets their hand on something else. But since all these are available in abundance, nobody's gonna tell you not to do it. It's an experience in itself. And now we are coming to an end of this jungle area. So my bike is at that end. I'm gonna take a walk. 6 months back you could bring your vehicle along, but now that road is completely turned into a swamp. As I told you, because of the heavy rainfall that happened this year, and even on Republic Day, that is on yesterday, it was raining here. So as you can see, all that dense and humidity and all that greenery is because of that rain. So guys, that's it from my side. Just showing you around a couple of places here in this small town called Chandannagar. And nobody has discovered it. These footages are not available on YouTube because nobody come here, and they do come here, but for picnics, not to enjoy the nature. So this was my second forest vlog. Do let me know how are you liking this in the comment box below. Hope you liked it. I'll see you next time around. Thanks for watching.